Hello friends, myself Mr Narendra Jangalale from Gokhale Education Society's R.M.Bhatt High School, Parel. Welcome students. Today we are going to study SSC Class 10th Maths Part 1 Second Chapter Quadratic Equations. From that chapter we are going to study practice set 2.6, and this practice set 2.6 is based on the applications of quadratic equations, that means statement sum or word problems of quadratic equations. Let us see practice set 2.6. In practice set 2.6, we are going to study that applications of quadratic equations. In short, these are the statement sums or word problems from this quadratic equations. So let us study. Whenever there is a statement sum, read that sum twice carefully. Here question number 1 is there. Product of Pragati's age. Pragati is one of the girl. Product of which? So this is the comma. Product of Pragati's age 2 years ago. So this is the one statement. Product of which product? First part, Pragati's age 2 years ago, and second term 3 years hence. You know, ago means before 2 years, hence means after 3 years. So here we have to divide this statement sum into the small parts of the statements. Here this part, product of, this is the one part. So product of which product? Product of Pragati's age 2 years ago, and second term multiplied by her age 3 years hence. That product is equal to 84. Then find her present age. So if we consider her present age as x, so we have to write let Pragati's present age be x years. Her present age is x year. Now which two terms are given? Find that two terms. Pragati's age 2 years ago. So her age, her, or we can write the name, her age 2 years ago. Her age 2 years ago means before 2 years is whenever ago or before is there minus 2. So it is x minus 2 years. And third point, her age 3 years hence. Hence means after. So we have to add whenever hence is there. So x plus 3 years. So what is given here? Again read the sum. Product of which? This one. Pragati's age 2 years ago and her age 3 years hence is equal to 84. Therefore, by the given condition or according to the given condition, we can write simple word by the given condition. So what is that condition? The product of these two terms is 84. So write the equation. Therefore x minus 2 is the first term, Pragati's age 2 years ago, multiplied by Pragati's age 3 years hence means x plus 3, and this product is 84. Now we get the equation. So this is the important part from in the statement sum. Read that statement sum and then obtain the equation. That is the very important skill in this part. So after this, solve this sum by using different methods. You know here that completing square method is deleted, so we can use factorization method or formula method. Mostly use that factorization method, not that formula method. So that is easy. Or you can use that formula also, but always use that. So open the brackets. How to open the brackets? This first term, simple way, multiplied by the whole bracket, second whole bracket, minus this second term multiplied by the whole bracket is equal to 84. So now open the bracket. X into x is x square plus x into 3 is 3x, minus sign is there, so change the sign. Minus 2 into x is 2x and minus 2 3s are 6 is equal to 84. Now simplify again. The first term is the x square. First term is x square. 3x minus 2x we get plus x minus this 6, and this 84 becomes minus 84 when this side changes. So we get x square plus x minus this 90, because 84 plus 6 both having the same sign, so addition. Now you know the factorization method. First term, coefficient of first term multiplied by the last term, minus 90 is the product. Now you know the product, whenever the product is negative, both the factors having the different sign and their difference is equal to middle term. So we get the two factors, 10 9s are, their difference is 1, that is middle term. So sign of middle term to greater factor and opposite sign to smaller factor. Now you know the factorization method. First term remains as it is, last term remains as it is. Now split up this 1x as plus 10x minus this 9x. Now make the group of first and second term, third and fourth term, make the pairs, find the common factor. So here x is the common, into bracket x plus 10 minus 9 is common, x plus, because minus plus becomes minus, 10 9s are 90. So we get one of the common factor is, from this two, one of the common factor is x plus 10. So x plus 10 is one of the common factor. X minus 9, remaining factor outside the bracket, is equal to 0. Therefore either x plus 10 is equal to 0 or this x minus 9 is equal to 0. So whenever x plus 10 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 10 or x is equal to 9. But x is a age of pragati. Here we consider that x as a age of pragati, and age is never negative. So x is equal to minus 10 is not acceptable, because we have to write the reason, because age is never negative. Age of any person is never negative, and therefore only one number is there, that is positive, and therefore x is equal to 9. But what is x? The present age. Therefore present age, whenever statement sum is there, our final answer should be in a statement, in the form of statement. So here the present age of Pragati is equal to how many years? 9 years. So in this way we can solve that statement sum. Now observe that sum again. I am moving the screen. You can observe that sum. Percentage x, then find the age before 2x, after 3x, their product is 84. Solve that, we get one quadratic equation. Solve that quadratic equation by factorization method. We get two values, x is equal to minus 10, x is equal to 9, then minus 10 is not acceptable. Therefore, this value is 9. So age is equal to 9. Let us see second sum from practice set 2.6. Here there is one correction in this sum. The sum of the squares of two consecutive natural numbers is given in the textbook. We have to write even natural number. So make this correction in the textbook. That sum is wrong. Here even natural numbers is 244. Then find the numbers. So whenever even or odd numbers are there, these are x and x plus 2. If these are natural numbers, then these are x and x plus 1. So let the two consecutive even natural numbers be x and x plus 2. Now according to the given condition, so what is that condition? According to or by the given condition, according to given condition. So what is the condition? Sum of the squares of these two numbers, sum of squares. So first number square is x square plus second number square is x plus 2 bracket square is equal to 244. Now squaring, we get x square plus, here we have to use the formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square means x square plus 2 into ab. ab means x into 2, 2x, twice of that, that is 4x, and plus b square means 2 square is equal to 4. So it is 244. So x square plus x square, we get 2x square. X square plus x square, 2x square, plus this 4x plus this 4 and minus this 244 is equal to 0. You know the standard form of that quadratic equation. 0 is on only right hand side, other terms on left hand side. So we get the equation 2x square plus 4x minus this 240 is equal to 0. 4 minus 244 is 240. Now divide by 2 because 2 is common. So divided by 2 we get x square plus 2 2s are 4 minus 2 1s are 2 2s are 0s are. So here divided by 2. Why divided by 2? Because 2 is common in all the terms. Whenever any number is common, we can divide for simplification. Now solve this equation. Now here 1 multiplied by 120, our product is minus 120. Whenever product is negative, then the difference between the two numbers is our middle term. What is our middle term? Plus 2. So 10 and 12. We get 12 tens are 120. So sign of middle term to larger factor and opposite sign to smaller factor. So we get 12 tens are. So first term as it is x square minus 10x plus 12x minus 120 is equal to 0. Pairs of first and second term, third and fourth term, make the pairs. Find the common factor. X is the common into bracket x minus 10 plus 12 is the common, x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now which is the factor? Common factor. X minus 10 is one of the factor and x plus 12 is another factor. So either x minus 10 is equal to 0 or x plus 12 is equal to 0. Now find the value of x. X is equal to 10 or x is equal to minus 12. But what is x? X is a natural number and natural number is never negative. Is never negative, and therefore what is the possible value of x? X is equal to 10. So the natural number is x is equal to 10. Therefore, the natural numbers, even natural numbers are, even natural numbers are, first one is x is equal to 10, second one is x plus 2 is equal to 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Therefore, the numbers are 10 and 12. So in this way, we can solve that sum which is based on the numbers. Now let us see next sum. Here it is the next sum, fourth sum from practice set 2.6. Read that sum carefully. Vivek is older. Older means plus and younger means minus. So Vivek is older. Older means bada or younger means chota. Vivek is older than Kishore. Than Kishore. So we have to let the value x. Than के बाद जो term आता है, the term which is after than, the age of Kishore is after than. So let it be x. So let the present age of Kishore, present age of Kishore be x years. अगर किशोर x year का है तो according to this condition Vivek is older than Kishore by 5. Older means bada. That's why that Vivek's present age. Therefore, Vivek's present age is equal to x plus 5. Whenever it is older, elder, then add the number, and younger, then we have to minus the number. So it is x plus 5 years. The sum of next condition. So from this first condition, Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. We get the two values. This one. How? Kishore's present age agar x hai, then the Vivek's present age is x plus 5 because Vivek is 5 years older. 5 saal bada. Now use the second condition. The sum of the reciprocal. Reciprocal means numerator and denominator we have to change. That is called reciprocal. Of their ages is 1 by 6. Therefore, do no need to write the full condition according to given condition. According to given condition. What we can write according to given condition? This reciprocal of Kishore's age 1 upon x because it is x plus sum of the age reciprocals of their ages. Reciprocal of age of this Vivek x plus 5. This sum is 1 upon 6. By cross multiplication we get x. How to solve? By cross multiplication we have to simplify this one. X into 1 or x into 1 into x plus 5 we get x plus 5 plus x into 1 x and divided by x into x plus 5. You know cross multiplication, this one plus this one divided by this one is equal to this right hand side as it is. Now simplify this one. X plus x we get 2x plus 5 divided by this denominator becomes x square plus 5x is equal to 1 upon 6. Again by cross multiplication we get x 1 into this x square plus 5x. X square plus 5x is equal to 6 multiplied by this 2x plus 5. This multiplication and this multiplication. Now simplify again. X square plus 5x is equal to 6 2s are 12x plus 6 5s are 30. Now final equation we get this x square plus this 5x minus this 12x and minus this 30 is equal to 0. Now simplify. X square, this plus 5 minus 12 Subtract the smaller one from larger one and place the sign of larger. Minus 7x. 12 minus 5 is minus 7. And minus 30 is equal to 0. Now solve this equation again. 1 into 30, our product is minus 30. Maximum sums having negative sign. We know two tables, use that table. Their difference is 7 and product is 30. So which are these three numbers? 10 threes are 10 and 3. So sign of middle term is to the larger number and opposite sign to the smaller number. So we get x square. This minus 7x can be split up as minus 10x plus 3x, and minus 30 is equal to 0. Make the pairs of first, second term, third, fourth term. Find the common factor. X is the common, into bracket. X minus 10 is there. Plus 3 is the common. X minus 10 is there. So x minus 10 is one of the common factor. And x plus 3 is other common factor, is equal to 0. So either x minus 10 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. So we get x is equal to 10 or x is equal to minus 3, but age is never negative. Therefore, age is never negative. Therefore, x is equal to minus 3 is impossible. Therefore, x is equal to 10. So what is x? X is the present age of Kishore. Therefore, Kishore's, our answer is Kishore's present age is equal to x is equal to 10 years. And Vivek's present age, we have to find both's present age. Vivek's present age is equal to x plus 5, means 10 plus 5 is equal to 15 years. So in this way we can find the ages of both Vivek and that Kishore. So let us see the sum again. Here Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. Sum of their reciprocals is equal to 1 upon 6. So let Kishore's age x, therefore Vivek's age x plus 5 because older, and according to given condition the reciprocal sum of the reciprocals is 1 upon 6. Then by cross multiplication we get one equation. Simplify the equation, we get final equation x square minus 7x minus 30. After factorization we get the factor x plus 10 and x minus 10 and x plus 3. So x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to 10, but age is never negative, therefore x is equal to 10. So what is x? Present age of Kishore. And what is x plus 5? Is the age of Vivek. So here in this way we can solve this sum. Next, so here it is the sixth sum from practice set 2.6. Read that sum carefully again. Mr. Kasam runs a small business of making earthen pot. So that Kasam is earthen pot maker. He makes, this is the first statement. Now here it is important. He makes certain number of pots daily basis. So let the number of pots be x. Let the number of pots he means Kasam makes daily be x. X is a number. Now he makes certain number of pots daily basis. So x number of pots daily basis. Production cost, that means the cost for making that pot, one pot. Production cost of each pot is rupees 40 more than, this condition is important, rupees 40 more than 10 times the total number of pots. So total number of pots x. He makes total x pot in one day. Therefore, cost of each pot is equal to What is the condition? Rupees 40 more than 10 times the number of pot. 10 times the number of pot is 10x. And rupees 40 is more, means plus 40 this rupees. So this is the cost of each pot. Now next part. If production cost of all pots per day is 600, means per day he required 600 rupees. That means how will find the total cost? Number of pots multiplied by cost of one pot. It is similar to, suppose the chocolate Cadbury is of 10 rupees. If we buy 5 Cadburys, then 5 multiplied by this cost of one chocolate, that is 10. We have to pay 50 rupees. Similarly here, number of pots, he makes X pot and the cost of one pot is this one. So this product is equal to 600, and therefore according to given condition, so what is the condition? Product of this number of pot multiplied by cost of one pot, that is 10x plus 40 is equal to 600. Now solve this, we get the equation 10 into x, 10x into x is 10x square plus this 40, x is equal to 600. So here, sorry, 10x square, 40x is equal to 600. Then we get, after simplifying, 10x square plus 40x minus this 600 is equal to 0. Can we divide by 10? 10, 10, 10. So here divided by 10 we get x square because 10 is common. 10 4s are minus 10 6s are and 0. So we get 60. Here divided by, we can write the reason 10 because 10 is common. That's why we divide. Now first term is 1. Coefficient of first term 1 multiplied by 60. Our product is minus 60. Now find the two numbers whose product is 60 and their difference is 4. So which are these the two numbers? Their product is 60 and their difference is 4. So find these two numbers. So we get 10 6 because 10 6 are 60 and plus 10 minus 6 we get 4. So sign of middle term to the larger factor and opposite sign to the other factor. So we get x square, middle term is split up into 10x minus 6x and minus this 60 is equal to 0. Make the pairs, find the common factor. X is as a common, x plus 10 minus 6 as common, x plus 10 is equal to 0 because minus plus becomes minus. That's why minus sign, plus sign is there. Now x plus 10 is one of the bracket and second bracket, second factor is x minus 6 is equal to 0. Either x plus 10 is equal to 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to minus 10 and x is equal to 6. But number of pots are never negative. Therefore, number of pots, because he makes a pots, we consider this. Now x is a number of pots he makes daily. Never negative. Number of pots are never negative and therefore x is equal to 6. So what is x? Number of pots he make daily. So what we have to find? Find the production cost of one pot and number of pots. So total number of pots. So total number of pots का sum max daily is equal to x is equal to 6 pots and cost of one pot. cost of each pot or one pot is equal to, so here we consider this pot, cost of pot is the here 10x plus 40, so substitute x, it is 10x plus 40, so we get 10 into 6 plus 40, that means 60 plus 40 is equal to rupees 100. Therefore in this way we can find the number of pot and the cost of each pot, making cost of each pot. So first again read the sum carefully and observe that sum. So here x is the total pot make in one day, then cost of one pot is 10x plus 40, so number of pot multiplied by cost, we get 600. After simplification we get one equation, solve that equation, we get the values, two factors, x minus 10, x 6, but x is a number of pot, therefore that minus 10 is not valid value, therefore x is equal to 6. Now substitute this value and we get our answer, number of pots 6 and cost of one pot is 100. Now let us see more sums from the practice set. Now here it is the seventh sum from this practice set. Pratik takes 8 hours to travel 36 km downstream. Downstream means in the way of, means in the direction of flow, that is called downstream, and upstream means in the opposite direction of the flow of water, and return to the same spot, means again covers 36 km and return in 8 hours. Speed of boat in still water is 12 km per hour. This is the speed of boat in still water. Find the speed of water current. So if we consider, let the speed of water current be x km per hour. So if the speed of water current is x km per hour, therefore speed of boat while traveling downstream is equal to x plus 12 kilometer per hour, because whenever we are traveling in the direction of the flow of water, the speed of boat is the speed of boat plus the speed of flow. Now when it is in opposite direction, that is upstream, so speed of boat becomes speed of boat while traveling upstream. Upstream means in the opposite direction of, so here it is the boat 12 minus x kilometer per hour, here it is 12 plus x kilometer per hour, because the speed of current is subtracted from the speed of the boat in a still water. So here it is x plus 12, or we can write 12 plus x, and here 12 minus x. So these are the speeds. So here it is considered as 12 plus x. So the speed of boat while traveling 36 kilometer, travel 36 kilometer downstream and 36 kilometer upstream. So we have to calculate the time. Time is equal to, we know the formula for time. Speed is equal to, we know the formula, speed is equal to distance divided by time, and therefore time is equal to distance divided by speed. So that formula we studied in the physics part 1 or science part 1. So we have to use that formula. Therefore, according to given condition, so according to given condition, what we get? 36 kilometer downstream. So time required is equal to 36 kilometer divided by speed in the downstream is 12 plus x. This is the time required, plus the time required to travel in upstream, again same distance 36 kilometer, but the speed is 12 minus x is equal to, it is 8 hours, is equal to 8. So here we get this equation. Now solve this equation and try to find the factors. How to simplify? This 36 is taken as a common. So 36 into bracket, we get 1 upon 12 plus x plus 1 upon 12 minus x is equal to 8. Now divide by this 36, we get 1 upon 12 plus x plus 1 upon 12 minus x is equal to 8 divided by 36. Now 8 divided by 36 is again 2 by 9. So here 4 2s are 4 9s are. Now simplify this one. So we get cross multiplication, this one 12 plus x plus 12 minus x divided by this 12 plus x and 12 minus x is equal to 2 by 9. 4 2s are and 4 9s are. So this x get cancelled. We get 12 plus 12, 24 divided by here a square minus b square means 144 minus x square is equal to 2 by 9. Now by cross multiplication we get, after cross multiplication we get cross multiplication 2 into bracket 144 minus x square is equal to 24 into 9. So here we get 144 minus x square is equal to 24 by 9 divided by this 2. So we get 144 minus x square is equal to, here 2 1s are 2 12s are, so 108. So we get minus x square plus 144 directly simplify here, minus x square is equal to this 108 and minus this 144. So here we can direct simplify. So minus x square is equal to minus 36. So x square is equal to 36. So x is equal to 6. X is equal to plus minus 6, but the x is speed of water current. So it is never negative. So speed of water current is 6 km per hour. So write the answer, speed of water current is equal to 6 km per hour. So in this way we can solve this example. Let us revise this example. So Pratik takes, total time is given 8 hours to travel 36 km in the direction of flow means downstream, and 36 km in upstream means in the opposite direction of flow. Speed of the boat is given 12 km when the water is still. Still means not moving. So let the speed of water current be x km per hour. Therefore, when the speed of boat it is traveling in the downstream means in the direction of flow, it becomes 12 plus x. Whenever it is traveling in the opposite direction, it is 12 minus x. Now we have the formula, speed is equal to distance upon time, so we can find the time. Time is equal to distance upon speed. So find the time in downstream plus time in upstream. Distance divided by speed plus distance divided by speed is equal to 8 hours. 36 is taken as common, then divided by 36, we get this equation. Now cross multiplication, we get this equation. Again by cross multiplication, divided by 2, so direct we get x is equal to 6 km/h. So here I tried to solve maximum sums. I want to solve more sums, but the size of the video becomes very big. Now it is more than half an hour, 30-40 minutes, and more than that 40 minutes is not good. That's why try the remaining sums at home. If you have any doubt in that sums, then write in a comment box. I will try to solve that doubt definitely. If you like that videos, then press the like button, and please subscribe that channel and share these videos to your friends, so that friends also get the benefit of our knowledge and our videos. So thank you.